Today I'm going to show you how to do a quick nude eye with a dark wine lip color using two eyeshadow colors and a strong lipstick. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's get started. I've already done my foundation and primed my eyelids using MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. This is an amazing color to put on your lids for almost any bridal, any nude eye. It gives you just a nice skin tone wash of color for fair to medium skin tones. So we're using the Lorac Gold palette for this look. The colors I want to use, we're going to start with Unlocked, right down here. I'm going to wash this on the entire eye. So I usually take my fluffy brush. This is Bdellium Tools 776. It's a comp of Max 217, a fluffy blending brush. So I go ahead and take that color, load up your brush. Whoops. Load up your brush. And then you're just going to wash the eye with that gold. All the way over it. All the way up to the brow. Load it up again if you need to. It's kind of a really pretty high shine eye look. Okay. Go to the other eye. All the way to the lid. From tear duct, covering the entire lid, all the way up to your brows. Okay? So you've got this nice pretty gold wash of color. Now, I like to use the same brush just because it's going to kind of blend the colors together. You can wipe it down on a tissue or a towel. And we're going to go in with, oh, I can't see, the light's kind of dark. Unedited, this dark fudgy brown color right here. This is going to go in our crease. So you take the same brush, load it up. You see that? It's a little crooked. Okay, then you're going to go in just to where the socket meets the eye. Just windshield wipe that. In that entire area. It's almost like a blended cut crease. Now you're going to do little swirls to kind of make that look more blended on the eye. See that? So now what I like to do is when I get to the outside, V it in a little bit. That's going to give you that nice kind of graduated winged look on the eye. See that? It's really fast. Now with the rest of the shadow that you have on the blender brush, you're just going to drag it underneath the eye, like so. And then go back to the socket, blend that out. Go up a little higher because now your brush is pretty much empty and unloaded. So we're going to go the other side. Oh my god, I dropped it. Okay, so now we're going to go back. We're going to load the brush again. And we're going to come back in here. Windshield wipe it all the way over. Got it. Now remember, we're going to V it out a little bit, back to the wiping in the eye socket, all the way to the tear duct. And now that we've blended out almost all that color, we're going to go under the eye. And back up. So you're kind of drawing like a little orbital circle around the eye socket. See that? Boop. Really quick. I mean, if you want to even them up, but overall this is going to come out easy. It's like the eye's giving you a guide to do it. So we can stop right there and be done with that. Now I like to use my MAC gel liner in Black Track to just draw a simple little line with the angle brush. So you take yourself a tiny little angle brush like that and open up your goodies, take it into your pot, dip it, wipe both sides down so you get a nice straight line. Seal it because this stuff dries out really fast. Okay? So then you're going to go in, pointing outward with the angle brush. You're going to come in, try to make it a little bit thicker from the outside in. That's the most flattering line to do, especially when you've got a light washed eye. See that? So it just kind of gives you a pretty opened eye. Now, I only like to go like 3/4 in, not all the way back to the tear duct. So when you're coming in, kind of just graduate that down to nothing, almost to where your iris is, where the color of your iris is. Just kind of graduate down off the lid so it kind of looks like it's disappearing and just coming into this upward shape. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Load up your brush and close that thing up so you don't have a sticky mess. Now we're going to go over here, pointing outward, coming in. See that? So now you just have a pretty quick kind of taper that off into the eye where you have nothing there. Make sure they're even. It's pretty even. Now see, this wing's a little higher than the other one. You can go back and correct them, or you can go back to my favorite trick, is using your previous loaded foundation brush to kind of clean up that area and make it look more blended. Oops, I think I just touched my face. Okay, so that is always going to be your magic eraser. You can do that. You can see the eye look? This one's a little bit longer, so you can, it's upside down. This one is like that. There, okay? So now after you're done with that, make sure the thickness is pretty much even, which this does look pretty good. It's a super quick eye, so this is like boom, boom, boom out the door. Okay, so eyes, done. Now what I like to do is get my eyelash curler, curl the eyelashes. If you want to make this more dramatic, you can add eyelashes. We'll do that in another video. This is for speed. And then I like to take my good old-fashioned L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, zhuzh them up a little bit, focus a little more on the outside if you want more of a winged graduated eyeline lashes. So make those guys pop, make them full, do plenty up top, and then do a little bit on the bottom. So, and we got to get them in there, kind of rotate them back and forth to kind of wake them up a little bit. This looks really pretty with a half eyelash too, if you want to just do the little half strips or a couple of clusters on the outside. Looks cute. Go underneath. Okay. I mean, I can add mascara all day. Usually sometimes I take a few minutes in between and then I come back and reapply to make them more lush on the outside. But just kind of get in there, make them dance, make them come up. Okay, so it's just kind of a nice tapered framed eye. Okay, now for lips, I have Cabaret by NYX, which is a nice wine colored pencil. And we're gonna go with my little Diva sample that I got around the holidays. It's really pretty on the lip. So this is a strong lip, nude washed eye look. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna go in, cover the entire lip. Okay. I'm applying this quick for you guys just to give you a look, but it's really a pretty look. So Diva goes on. I hate it when people don't do this part of their lips. Open your mouth and put it on there. Okay, there you have that. Okay, so I just like to go back in and kind of trace my line a little bit and make it look like to use a little bit of Give Me Sun. I like to use bronzer for this look as your blush. So I just kind of give it a little zhuzh here. And there you have it, guys. That is the quick nude eye wine lip quick wash of color. You can wear this elegant. You can wear this out during the day. Hope you enjoyed the video. You can comment and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Take care and have a great day.